Hello again, welcome back. In this video we're going to be taking a walk through Westfield in Stratford, East London. Now it's the run up to Christmas where we're doing this walk, so it's pretty busy. It's pretty busy all year round really, but in the run up to Christmas it's always a lot more people than there would be normally. So anyone that's unfamiliar with it, Stratford or Westfield in Stratford, it's right next to the station. So as you come in the entrance, that's the station, and you're right inside it. Pretty much the same as Canary Wharf, so you can just get off the train and there you are, right in the centre of things. It's a lot bigger than Canary Wharf, even though it's got quite a similar layout. Very modern really, and you just don't really need to go out onto the street and then into the shopping centre. You're right there the second you get off the train. Now it's set over about 4 floors, I think it is. On this little walk we're not going to do all of it because it's end up being about an hour long, so we're just going to do the ground floor and maybe the first floor. We'll have a look. So as you can see, pretty busy. A lot of high-end shops and a lot of local high street shops as well. I always feel like it's a bit of a game of dodging the people when you come to Westfield, particularly this time of year. So you've got all your standard shops, your Primarks, your Next, all your regular ones. We'll walk round the side here. As you can see, it's pretty big, Westfield. I'm not sure if it's the biggest one. I think maybe Blue Water might be bigger. I've not actually covered Blue Water, but I will do that in a future video. I've done Westfield before, I think about a year ago. So I just thought I'd come back because I was in the area and have another look around. Now it also has one floor that's sort of dedicated to all the food. So you got your McDonald's, your Burger King, and then you got all the Nando's and loads of other different ones as well. So while you're doing your shop, people stop off, bite to eat, and then carry on. Now whenever I do come here to do any shopping, I'm one of those types of people that just come in, get what I need to get, and then get out basically. I'm not one for hovering around too much, but as we're here filming it, it's a slow walk really, just having a look at it. There's a Santa Claus there. And we've even got a Waitrose in here as well. Yeah, we'll just go up onto the next floor and have a little look about. Neil's Yard Remedies. I've not heard of that one before. So as you can see, there's another floor. Don't think we'll cover that one today. I have done it in a previous video. I can link to it if you wanted to see what's all on. It's a longer video. It's around about half an hour or so when we cover more of the actual shopping centre. So you've got a Waitrose and an M&S I can see up on the next level. So no shortage of food halls. But we'll go back down again. So we'll go back out the entrance again where we started, and as you can see on the right there, that's the station, Stratford, served by a lot of different lines, the DLR, the Elizabeth line and a couple of others I think. So as I say, you don't have to come out the station and walk very far if you want to come shopping. It's very easy to get to. Anyway, we'll end it there. So as always, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.